Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! Welcome back to my... Huh? Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also leave some comments and I will do appreciate it. So today's vlog we will just show you what are inside my baby's Easter basket. So this is Mateo's basket from his Nina Karen. Okay, let's show to them. What's this, baby? What's this? What's this?
Bunny!
Yay! Baby brother has a bunny. And, woo! Inside the basket. Ooh, wow! Another pants. Nice. Nice shirt. Thank you, Tia, Karen. He has pants. Summer's fast approaching. And one more. It's a shirt. Fun never sleeps. So, thank you so much, Tia Karen, for this beautiful Easter basket and for this beautiful Easter gift.
No? Hello? Hello?
Okay, so now we will open Auntie Haley's basket. Look at my little bunny. Look at my little bunny. He's eating the plastic already. Oh, it's so cute. And it's so cute.
Say pictures.
Say pictures? Okay, yeah, picture but we will need to take video first. Okay, next is Auntie Haley's basket. Can we borrow, baby? Can we borrow? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Doesn't want... Okay, give it to baby brother so that he will not cry. Okay, so now we'll open Auntie Haley's basket. Okay, open Auntie. Woo! Help Mama? What's inside? Ooh. Ooh, let's... What's this, baby?
Ball.
Whoa! Yay! What else? What's this?
Pink bunny.
Wow! Haley has a pink bunny and baby Mateo has blue bunny. It's so cute. Okay. What's this? Look. Can you read it for Mama?
Mickey. Colors. Sunsets.
Okay, very good. It's Mickey colors and shapes. Oh my god, she will really love this one. She loves to read, that's why. Okay, let's show to them. Let's show to them, baby. Let's show to them. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, wow. Okay. Wow. What happened? Okay. She will read it for you. Okay, read it.
Red circle.
Very good. How about this one?
Blue. Mama.
What?
Blue circle.
Okay, very good. Okay, next.
No,
We'll show to them first if what are inside the basket,
No.
okay? Okay. Say thank you, Nina. Say thank you, Nina.
Thank you, Nina.
I love it.
I love it.
Oh, what's this?
Mini.
Mini what? Read.
Mini puzzle.
Okay, it's a mini puzzle. Okay, we're gonna do this later. Okay, Mama will help you, okay? Yes, Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. And what's this?
Wow.
Wow.
Mama,
What's this?
unicorn.
No, it's not. Yeah, unicorn pony.
Unicorn pony. Ah!
That's so cute. Look, there's also brush. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, there's hairbrush. Huh? Oh, that's beautiful. Mhm. You like it?
Yes.
Ooh, what's this?
Ah, funny.
What's this? It's a chocolate bunny. Yeah. And
Bunny.
what's this, baby? Minnie Mouse egg. Yeah.
Oh no.
And
Wow.
wow, she has how do you call it? This one, sketchboard. She has a sketchboard. This is beautiful. And lastly, you have what's this, baby?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. How many lollipops are they?
Red.
Count. Count one. How many lollipops?
1, 2, and 3.
How many? 3?
3 lollipops.
Yay! Good job. Wow. Say thank you, Nina Karen. Okay. And of course, they got a bunch of eggs with the candies inside. But at that time, Haley has tantrum, so most of these eggs given by her cousins. They're really so nice with Haley. And of course, we got the golden egg. Let's see what's inside the golden egg. We got $5. We get a $5. Thank you, Tia Karen. Say thank you, Nina Karen.
I know horse.
Say thank you, Nina.
Thank you, Nina.
So that's it. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.